Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to deposit money in BingX account. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video. Open BingX. Then on the home page you can see that you can deposit and buy crypto. So tap on deposit buy crypto. So here we have many options through which we can deposit money in our BingX account. So if you have money in your other exchanges or wallets, so suppose I have USDT in my Binance application, so I will simply tap on deposit. Then I will search for USDT on the top in the search bar. Over here we have to select a correct network. So in this case I will select BNB Smart Chain. Now once you do that, tap on get address. And here we got the deposit address. So just copy this address. Now we have to open that particular application, exchange or a wallet which have USDT in it. So in this case I will open Binance. So once you open Binance, tap on wallets on the bottom right corner, then tap on withdraw. Again tap on withdraw, and on the coin list you can see that I have USDT. So I will simply tap on USDT, then tap on send via crypto network. So over here we have to paste the address which we copied from BingX, then tap on network and this drop down menu will appear. So as I already told you that we have to choose the right and same network, so I will select BEP20 which I selected in BingX. After that you have to choose the withdrawal amount and then tap on withdraw. So after a few moments you will receive USDT in your BingX application. Now the second option is P2P trading. So tap on P2P trading and over here you can simply buy USDT from all of these traders who are currently selling USDT. So if you want to buy that, you have to tap on simply buy and make sure that you are choosing a correct trader. So you have to choose the trader with almost 90 plus rating. After that you have to write down the amount in PKR or in the currency which you currently have in your country. After that you have to tap on buy with zero fee. You have to make a payment within 15 minutes or the time available over here. So we have two payment methods, which is bank transfer or IBN, which is particularly similar to the bank transfer. So we have to send them 1500 PKR to their bank account. After that you will receive USDT in your BingX application from them. Now that was the second way, and the last way is the quick buy. First you have to select the currency. After selecting the currency you have to write down the amount and then tap on buy now. So once you tap on buy now, here we have many options, any other e-payments and bank transfer includes. So after that you have to choose any one payment method. Once we do that, tap on pay, and after that we will easily receive the particular USDT in our BingX application. And this is how you deposit money in your BingX account. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.